In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return items on TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating the return and refund flow right inside the app. Before we start, make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection and that you remember which account you used to place the order, since returns must be made from the same account. It also helps to have your order details handy and, if something arrived damaged or not as described, any photos you might want to include when prompted. Begin by opening your TikTok app and accessing your account. From the main screen, look for the Shop tab. This is where all your shopping activity lives, including your past purchases. Tap Shop, then head straight to your orders. You'll see a list of everything you've bought. Find the specific order for the item you want to return or refund. If it was part of a multi-item order, open that order so you can view each item individually. Inside the order details, look for the option that says Request Refund or Return Item. Tap that. The app will immediately ask you to choose a reason for the return. Select the option that best matches what happened, whether the item didn't fit, wasn't as described, arrived damaged, or you simply changed your mind if that's allowed. Being accurate here helps the seller and the platform process your request more smoothly and can reduce back and forth later. Next, follow the prompts on your screen and click Continue whenever you're ready to move forward. Depending on the order, you may be asked to select which item or items you're returning, confirm the quantity, add a brief explanation, and in some cases, upload photos or a short video that shows the issue. You might also see prompts to confirm whether you want a refund, a replacement if available, or how the return will be handled. Read each screen carefully, provide clear information, and proceed by tapping Continue. After you continue, you'll typically see a confirmation that your request has been submitted. Keep an eye on notifications within the app and check the Orders section in Shop for status updates. Processing times can vary based on the reason you selected and the seller's review. Hold on to the item and its packaging until the process is complete, in case further instructions appear in the prompts. To recap, open your account in TikTok, go to Shop, tap Orders, choose the relevant purchase, select Request Refund or Return Item, pick your reason, follow the prompts, and click Continue. Stay accurate, provide any requested details, and you'll be set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough makes returning items on TikTok Shop quick and stress-free.